A little bell pepper, I'm assuming. More cabbage mixed in here. There's also some Brussels sprouts trying to grow. And more sunflower volunteers. Oh yeah, this bed too. It has a lot of sunflower volunteers. More thyme, parsnips, more tomato volunteers, some zinnias, cosmos. These beauties just started to bloom. This beautiful sage. These are the Brussels that are trying, but you know. This one was failing, so I cut it down, but it decided to grow back. This bed, the celery has pretty much taken over right here. But I do have more squash, random carrots. This looks like another cabbage. Oh, and there are some peppers hiding in here. So that's a banana pepper. This looks like another maybe cayenne. No peppers on it, but I know that's a poblano. No label, so not quite sure. Something spicy. This is like a little peppercini. Tomatoes all along this trellis. San Marzanos. Little baby broccoli. Phil's one. More celery on the inside. Echinacea. Unlabeled. Black Prince. Thorburns terracotta. Purple beans. And then the other side of this trellis has more tomatoes. More echinacea. Pretty much all celery. So, Floridade. Cosmonaut. Carbon. Black from Tula. Straw flowers. More cabbage. Sungolds. The other side has more straw flower, more cabbage, even more straw flower, sunflowers, more celery, also some more squash, random flowers. The other side of the cucumbers has a few different varieties of peppers here. So this one is Mocha Swirl. This one doesn't have a label anymore, so I do not know. If I had to guess, I would say it's going to be a little pumpkin pepper, but we'll see. Also, another pepper that the label completely washed off. Green beans. As for cucumber varieties, I've got a striped Armenian, Japanese longs, dragon's eggs, and straight eights. Mostly peppers in this bed. Bell peppers, shishito 1, shishito 2, cubano, another jalapeno, giant marconis, another jalapeno. And then this bed, some cabbages, walking onions, a lot of mystery peppers. It's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 random carrots, some sort of a brassica, dill that went to seed, more celery, and then tomatoes on the trellis. This variety is Tappy's Heritage. Oh, here's some beans too. And then over here on this side of the trellis, Japanese black tomatoes. And then there's also some beans mixed in. Parsley that's flowering, and then a few brassicas. Oh, and a little squash, but I don't think that's doing very well. This bed, pansies and violas have almost taken over the entire thing. But there's some pineapple sage and some random other flowers kind of mixed in. And another pepper plant. That's an artichoke. That is a massive weed. Strawberries. Ooh. Yum. Also some onions mixed in here, and then rhubarb. Oh yeah, and I think that's cabbage over there too. Those two trellises have kiwi vines. This bed is asparagus. There's some echinacea growing in here as well, and other random flowers. This bed has sunchokes, mint, some kind of a native gooseberry, I think, another echinacea. Oh yeah, the strawberry bed also has some thyme growing in it, and then there's also some thyme over here, and there's more cabbage. Lavender and sage, raspberries, lemon balm, that used to be potatoes, yerba, some very crispy horseradish, Thai soldier beans. They are just starting to flower, so I will be swimming in those very soon. Squash, beets, ooh, a snack, more peppers, mostly carrots here, and a few carrots here, and some basil. More tomatoes, blackberries, Carolina Reaper, fig tree cuttings that didn't work out, avocado tree, a bunch of just random flowers in here. I also think there's a few watermelon vines hiding in here. Black raspberries. Look at these sad little melon seeds that I planted so long ago. I don't think that's gonna work out. But the beans that I did not plant look like they will be growing, so. White sapote, more strawberries. These ones have pink flowers. Another avocado tree, which looks way better than this avocado tree. Also, most of this green stuff is more celery, straw flowers. Grapefruit tree that looks like it needs water. It's looking pretty sad. I have more tomatoes mixed in up here. Gladiolus. Another avocado tree. Elderberry. I don't know why I can't remember what that is, but something you can eat. More tomatoes. This is black brandywine. Pipevine swallowtail caterpillars. Some kind of a squash or pumpkin maybe growing in the worm compost bin that the animals dig out all the time. It's so annoying. Walking onions. Kumquats. I don't think the pineapple guava is surviving this summer. I planted so many sunflower seeds up here, but I'm seeing a whopping 1 over there. Little peach tree. That tree needs to be staked. Loofah. Purple sage. More beets. Another tomato. Some chickens. Sparta. Fig trees. Black goji berry, which it is flowering, so we'll probably get some berries. We'll see. Potatoes. Crispy kale. A sad little citrus tree. Apple tree, and I actually think there's 1 little apple right there. Volunteer sunflower. Another citrus. Another tomato plant. Another tomato plant. Another tomato plant. I don't know if this tomato plant's gonna make it. Sweet potatoes. More sweet potatoes with another tomato plant. A little cabbage and tarragon. Another tomato. More squash, and there's oregano growing in this too. Peony. Another fig tree. Another citrus tree. Another fig tree. Another citrus tree. Tea. Another citrus tree with flowers growing in this one. A dead citrus tree and dead beans. A couple of fig trees that have never produced. Another citrus. Another citrus. Olive tree. More tomatoes here. And another olive tree that has a watermelon growing with it. I planted a lot of squash over here, but most of them are looking quite sad, so I don't know if they are ever actually going to produce. Also have a bunch of blueberry bushes planted through here, and then more fruit trees. Longevity spinach, carrots, guava. All right, I need to make dinner, so that ends my tour. The peppers up in this bed are doing so well, even with the squirrels constantly digging this bed up. I'm glad I decided to plant them here because the peppers that are in the main garden area are getting absolutely fried by the sun. Jalapenos. This is a carrot chili. I'd bet money this plant has aphids, judging by the amount of ants crawling all over it. Habaneros. Anaheims. Some sort of chili. Banana peppers. Shishitos. This bell pepper doesn't have any peppers quite yet, but this one has a little one. Oh, here's another one actually. Another little bell pepper, no peppers on it currently. More bell peppers, and another one, and another one, and then a cubanelle. Figs. These 2 beds have mostly sweet potatoes, but there's other things kind of mixed in, like some cabbage, lettuce that's going to seed, a carrot. Also, more sweet potatoes over here with some kale, and then arugula is also going to seed right now. This bed has some roselle, tomatoes, onions. The peppers up in this bed are doing so well, even with the squirrels constantly digging this bed up. I'm glad I decided to plant them here because the peppers that are in the main garden area are getting absolutely fried by the sun. Jalapenos. This is a carrot chili. I'd bet money this plant has aphids, judging by the amount of ants crawling all over it. Habaneros, Anaheims, some sort of chili. Banana peppers, Shishitos. This bell pepper doesn't have any peppers quite yet, but this one has a little one. Oh, here's another one actually. Another little bell pepper, no peppers on it currently. More bell peppers, and another one, and another one, and then a cubanelle. Figs. These two beds have mostly sweet potatoes, but there's other things kind of mixed in, like some cabbage, lettuce that's going to seed, a carrot. Also, more sweet potatoes over here with some kale, and then arugula is also going to seed right now. This bed has some roselle, tomatoes, onions, a lot of thyme, sunflowers that just planted themselves here and I didn't feel like digging them out. Oh, and then on the other side, there's some rutabaga, I think. Mainly cucumbers here. But there's also some onions, some beets in here, a peach Carolina Reaper, a little baby Scotch bonnet. Not really sure what this is, but it kind of looks like a poblano. Thyme. This bed has a few varieties of peppers. So a purple bell, Reza Macedonian, another type of bell, I think. These little spicy things. More lettuce going to seed. Sunflowers. Quite a few flowers kind of just mixed in. Cabbage. Tomato volunteers, basil volunteers, ground cherry volunteers, a squash, another type of pepper, but as you can see, you can't see what it is anymore. Surprisingly, lettuce, even though it has been blazing hot. Another type of squash.